retweeted a few things. Everybody here that's watching the show, thank you again for all the sticky note love. But we have it on right here. We had this trade yesterday, was our big trade yesterday above 21. It's been breaking out on Ford. So here's the sticky note, guys. Retweet it, like it, paste it, whatever you want to do. Put it up on your Instagram, whatever. Let's get this going. The more people that look at this, the better it is for all of us. There goes the sticky note. Also, watchlist.tradertv.live. And here's CCL trying to break above 22. So we're long this name too. We're taking two breakouts here early, but we do have bids back in on both these names. So let's see. I hear Neil hitting a lot of keys. Already executed a lot over there. I hope it's been good.
Well, there's another one here. I mentioned FLGC. I was looking for a short, but GNPX, I've been in GNPX already this morning. First at 350 when it broke very early, and then a consolidation at 330. That one stopped me out when all these stupid dark pool wicks were going off and triggering stops. I'm looking for that as a pop and roll trade at 330 as well. So GNPX is definitely in play. FLGC, that also looks relatively weak. So there's a couple of names I'm looking to get into right at the open. I actually just placed an order to try to get a starter in that GNPX. It's down 8%. And if you remember it there's actually 4 minutes to go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm like, why am I getting so... Okay, if you actually remember this one from the afternoon, I was short at these levels in front of 3, had some success the second time through shorting at $3, then got accidentally long on a 310 break. That weird price, that holds up as support. That 3 to 310 is current level of support. But if you look at the barcoding that's going on in this consolidation, it's just a well that I want to go back to right here at the open. And like I said, with those breakouts, I'd rather have a tight stop and try to find a re-entry like on PSTV and on ISPC rather than sit there and hold on to them for too long. But there are some shorts that I did like, even though we didn't get to them till late. GMPX and FLGC, for now, fit the bill on those lists. Tesla, still barcoding 95 to 1200. So it's still within the pocket, has a chance that it might still get going, but obviously it had a fantastic run in it yesterday. I wouldn't be terribly shocked if it had at least a little bit of a pullback here today. That hasn't happened just yet.
I think we'll get a small pop at the open on the market and then just a sell-off. So watch for your polls. I don't think this stuff is going to hold up today. And I think we got some small caps to play, so it's going to be a little bit of fun. So we're going to make some fun money there. We got about 3 or 4 of them we can play before they start giving up. And be careful on IMMX. They may do a mid-morning offering, so you want to be careful with that, okay? Welcome to Awesome Calls. I'm AJ. It's a good thing we didn't overnight any stocks. So hopefully you guys saved a lot of money doing that. I wasn't feeling it. If you're new to the room, please, just a couple things. Don't bring in outside tickers to our chat room for the first 45 minutes. And do not bring in penny stocks. And last but not least, please do not do this. XYZ with a question mark on your stocks when you ask questions. I need to know what you're thinking. Okay. So again, I'm looking for a pull in the majority of the NASDAQ stocks and just a big yank. If there's a pop, it's going to be a small limited pop, and so it's mostly going to be nice for the short sellers in the morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. First Solar, typically what happens on an upgrade, they will pop and then they will be an all-day fader. So watch for that. This will give back, and it'll probably go to 86, 87. I usually short on any upgrades that they get. They don't last. So, but watch the initial pop first because they do get squeezed. I've been playing it for years. Couple things. I think COVID will actually pull, curl, and then run for today. Not all day, but at least give us decent range. So watch for that. SC has an offering. I would be watching this 208 area and then take it to 213, 214, top it off right there, and then fade it again. If it pulls to 200 and under, I'd be a buyer on that. PSTV, nice former runner. News is garbage, but it doesn't matter. Watch the 210, 215 area with volume. Rip it 50 cents to $1, top it off, and then fade it. Short sellers, you can't short until 160. That's the way. IMMX, be careful. Don't get trapped in this thing. Play it what it gives you at 8. Rip it, get out, and get done, because I think they might do a mid
Check all stocks for first minute close. Check all stocks for first minute close.